fill light doesn't necessarily have to be a light itself. A fill light can literally just be reflective material that's bouncing back on your subject, just giving a little bit, again, of extra light on the side from above, just to help, again, fill things out.
Okay, so in Hollywood, they use this a lot. This can be a bounce. You can use it as a bounce material as well. You know, it's a kind of bounce reflector. Some of these materials come in gold and silver colors. These really help. You can actually point a light to this and you're getting a really, really soft output. Very, very important. These little things, if you don't know, you're not gonna get a good video. The reason why we wanna make the light so soft is to help us soften some of the work in post-production. So if you're doing post, and I talk about post, we're gonna do tutorials on that. If you don't know what post-production is whenever you shoot something or you take a video, take a photo, the editing that comes after that. So it makes the work a lot easier when you soften your light.
All right, absolutely. Again, your key light is your most important light. That's the main source of light in your shoot. Right. So I mean, for instance, for us, we have 2 lights that are above us that are shining on our faces. Those are our key lights. Again, 3-point lighting system doesn't mean 3 lights, literally. It can be 10 lights, but if 5 of those lights are the main ones, those 5 lights are your key lights. Don't take it too literally.
Don't take it too personal. You get 3 lights and you still look dark.
And think that's it.
Also, whilst you lighting your stuff, make sure your ISOs are a little bit down because you are adding more lights, so you can turn your ISO on your camera down. And ISO, controls the gamma, it controls the brightness of the clip. And also make sure that your ISOs are low, so when you light things up, you can get a really good picture. Also, if you're using color lights like these lights that we have back here, you want to make sure your fill and your side lights are a little bit toned down so it doesn't affect the color. Because if these lights, these are white colored lights, if it's pointed, if it's too harsh on the background, you're not going to even see any color behind us. So make sure you keep that in mind as well.